Being in victim shame and victimhood and that guilt, it's not allowing you to do the behaviors that are going to be congruent in terms of building health and well-being or building the life of your dreams. What would be more congruent is having a vision, having goals, and having proximity, being surrounded by amazing people who are building you up and showing you a path forward. That will allow you to then do the behaviors that are going to actually build the health and the well-being and the life that you want. And so, which one are you going to choose for yourself? And you can understand that it's not about the mindset. The mindset is the key to the ignition to help you go and do the things you need to go and do, right? So like one of the things for our members, especially in our game plan session last night, discipline came up, the word discipline. You haven't been doing the right thing, so you think, I need to be more disciplined. And what if you didn't need discipline, but you were just committed to more fulfillment for yourself? And it came from a place of fulfillment versus a chore or I have to. The game changes totally when the vision's different and you're looking forward to something and you're really moving into it. And it can be super, super powerful. And so my question to you, just quickly before we wrap this up, is which one are you going to choose? Is it going to be accelerated progress? One of our members from Mexico on a game plan session recently, he said, I'm committed to accelerated progress without expectation. And I thought that was just so, so beautiful. So this is where we want to be. If you're watching this on video, we want to be in this area here, okay? In accelerated progress, goals and vision, so we can have something to move towards. We really just want to get out of this habit of staying down here, okay? This fulfilling a negative cycle that just plays on itself, yeah? Because when you're feeling guilt, shame, victimhood, your energy levels are going to go down. You're not going to do any kind of behavior or helpful thing that's going to lift you up, right? It's kind of like a lower level energy. And so remember what I showed you at the start, where we want to start to magnify what's working and remember that energy does create energy. And I want to ask you this question, what would it be like if you started to do this? How might it feel if we came from a place of commitment for fulfillment versus discipline and punishment? And what would it be like if we actually had something to work towards that was going to be really, really useful for us?